your size. No go carry another man size wear. Not to go fall for your body. When I see what I get for years, so now see the way I'll take cotton, and so they'll take cut that person. In mama.
Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the area where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another Ogbongelicious matter come again. This one now, wahala jam wahala. Serious woto for inside this video. As Jama First Lady, mother-in-law take provoke come out for Monica Lobolobo.
He said that they call her
big man wife. Not be small thing, no. She said wetin Monica do her no good, as Monica take copyright her own video when say she do by herself. My people, I would like to leave una make una watch this very video, because on this video insult when dey is true, but wetin Monica no good, wetin Monica do no good, because wetin no do na woman no dey cream her, but mama the insult wey you give this woman with her innocent children is too much. You for face Monica alone, because their Monica dey very good in doing those things. Though they crave video when be say the video no be their own. My people, I would like to leave una make una drop una own opinion on this very video. God bless you. Stay blessed.
People they do people, my people. This now my video when I talk to big man wife. Beauty, I said that they call her clinic, make clinic kill a pikin. You see the way I take carry this thing for year, this thing. Now so they will take cut you, cut your generation, cut your husband. Here pieces where you very other. Because he don't tell one of the two people, one are not come my way. Because I know they put copyright for now. Wait till they do. Now my own. Now my mouth I take talk. If you think say waiting I talk for there now bad thing, now you go put copyright or whatever. Everything when they do me, when I take talk for that video, they go do unto you. Your children go do unto you. People go do unto you. You don't ever get peace for your heart. You don't go get peace for your children hand. Your children they go beat you, they go disgrace you. People go beat you, they go disgrace you. Because I don't know what thing I do. This is my video. You know, if you can't say because then you get Facebook, now your part get Facebook, you can't they put copyright for my own video, for my mouth when I take talk. You want me BT for your house? Look, I know they find people. More than not find me. Nobody when nobody when not sabi do saga. Saga no be say Person they say me you don't want trouble. Now when they use trouble till they find out. You when be say you they call yourself big man wife beauty clinic. May God punish your generation. Now you get the video when you go put copyright. Now so they say now they do for this media. Now they put copyright for people video. What make me okay? What make me not do what and why has a video copyright what mu a video re. Waiting you not talk. Now my own talk I talk. Unu anyway ya go not play music. I will don't make copyright your mayor. Why we make bona? I bet make I show now the video, my beautiful people. Make I show now. One see it's just white and they come and I know they see her. Okay when I see the video, when I see I don't know whether I'm going to see her because of it just white somehow. Okay, when I'm going to see the video, when I see the video, when I do I come here I come on so that make it for bright small. Okay, when I see her, this is not the video when I do, my people. This now my video. What make me no? What una go beat me for here? Now my what they do? Wawa, my uwa. And you the other body ogo it can worry ajo or the buwa. O salobo ni mega of yeke buwa. E don salobo la buwa. O emi ye fefen wa vi ohia. O salobo agore you abo. Igoni emi uwu emi wa hia igoni ze. Oseka ni boy. Why has Oseka another form? Because you know video come say because now you get Facebook for waiting I talk. Facebook will come they give me copyright for waiting. Big man wife when we say yes, poverty won't kill you. Big man wife as I start take call a big man wife beauty clinic go a clinic in am where you are who have no ke we ma because I know they carry your video. How much more you want to carry my own? More na see what person they do person. Na not fishing, but now the video be this one. Now the video be this, my people. This na the video. More na see video when I see talk my own no. Now this useless woman. Non-entity can't carry go put copyright. When God give you mouth, make you take talk. Now so they still do that. The video when I see talk, when I not talk to my children, now so they still go put they go put their picture where in I go one all over igbe obuwaro. Wani we mi danana we happen na. Wani we mi danana we Facebook na. Osalo boy ya mawa. So pa we ka why. My hand they clean. I don't do now before. Anything one they do make it good for now. But I never do now. Wait till I will see I will bear her. Una go bear. Happiness no will ever be your own. Happiness no will be your children. Oh, e money I make boy. If we agbo, ere agbo, other for agbo. Mabe agegena, nidie monpona. I agbo money be. If you think say waiting I talk for that video, now waiting be say yes, you won't put copyright. Waiting happen to me, now it go happen to you. Your children they go beat you. Your children they go beat you. Your children they go beat you. I bear hair boy. Because you know if you carry my video, you know if you carry my video, they put copyright. This is not my video when I do. You know if they put copyright for my video. Like seriously. You can't wear. Big man wife beauty clinic go punish your generation. If you don't forsake for Europe, make no ayo. Ogun gbe you e. This where I go igbe, if you are not let me go wa. Wa gbe o. Na your matter take talk. Na so na they do for this app. Wetin not be na una just go carry am. Una go dey put copyright. Ha waiting now. Agbona, I said over Agbona. Agbona I say ayo. Upon no when you dey put copyright what they do. I never see the estate when you don't build. Me, I never see the estate one I don't build. Big man wife, where they call her beauty clinic. God they punish you. Upon the all, how much you don't use the Facebook money to build? How much? Why yauna? They know yahu. Why yasila loko yasile egwangwero waya no wavyo yegbe. You think I do fake life like you now? I don't do fake life. This is where I live. If you like, you follow me. If you don't like, I'm okay with myself. I don't do fake life. I know they beg money for media. I know they say, "Mona, give me money, make I take it." So, what will be your problem? Why you go put copyright for my video? I do it because of you. I talk to you. What you many good one? Oh, one boy, mon of your hair. Every now we may know you make boy video now. Have a way. If we are the gay boa, or the fire the gay boa. You will never get peace for your life. Your children will never give you peace. If you just say you don't they make the money, nobody like you, your body go to hurt you. You not go know where they come from. Don't find me, I know they find you. Now my how they do they go. Everybody is my friend. But when you come to me, that time I will yes, I go you don't boke or bonwaya le you toto or a bonwayamu. I don't do that. Osalobo egbima, salobo anyeti. Una feel they do anything one they do. But I know say yes, when my God go revenge for me. You know your house, you know will contain you with your children. When your house go they hurt you, you will not say yes, there is God. I don't know what thing I do you, but this is my video. Now yesterday they said I Facebook said I can't give me. I don't know wetin I do this big man wife when suffer one key for I don't know where e dey, whether Nigeria e dey or whether na Europe e dey o, I don't know wetin dey do am. Yeah, big man wife when he say she be big man wife, they put copyright for people video, they report to Facebook, make them how you go put copyright for wetin I do by myself, no music. I know say if music dey na Facebook they give you copyright, but no music. I talk on my own. You can't go put copyright for waiting not be your own. You see as you put this copyright, so the hand, anything when you do when you take put this copyright, if you say you want use this video, take eat money, no worry, eat time, but that you go see the problem. I swear, if you don't see problem for this video when you put copyright, make you know say yes, here for more. Don't call me a former, okay? Because I know they find anybody. Now my own they do, they go. See my exercise when I they do. I'm okay with it. Not be say I not sabi talk my people, but I don't want my man not tell me say make I call Europe, me do Azure and Webo. People want to say yes, Facebook do me well. Facebook not do, Oma do me well. Facebook people there I day. Or you both there inside, they know they behave the way they behave. This is my video. And when the Facebook will do well, without Facebook, you no go eat. First, without Facebook, you no go buy car. Facebook, I got a Facebook, man, I don't bother there. Are they weird? Now we are still the weird. So why you can't put copyright for the video when I still go do for myself? Video when I go do for myself, you can't put copyright. Big man wife. Big man wife, you say you dey call yourself big man wife. Come, and no one my dead boy. You always saga with media, ya learning. My, you see, I say all finger they not be equal. Ugbe kama ya effect be kame. Ejo wa wezaga yobo. We no logo. You the all body ogo he all bonu wa ya lele kame. Be bonu. Ekenware. I know they go leti doctor. Mobo. Come, make I tell you. That copyright when you go put so go comot am, make you go comot that copyright when you go put for my video. Why na ya beg ya give away? I swear, em no kwa mana degbu wo hu eme. You do go, but I go put prayer for your head. For my video when I do again, we are more copyright your video me. No that way walk back waliho. You want eat the own money for Facebook. How many people open the Facebook when they're not there alive today? Vanity. For the sweat of other people you want eat. You go eat any ame ubu or why? But bega nyo we no we. Egbega nyi we no we. Wa jogo boy me no we. Wa jogo pass me no we. My dear, don't try me. Try me. I beg you in the name of God. This is my video. This will not be your video. This is my video. I do this video. And now we or ya me ya gwan. Igwan imagu egwan. Imakuru no subo we. Please. You remove a copyright in a video na re. Owonya video na. This is my video. Do you only report to a ban? I don't report people. Even gain of panic I think I don't even gain of power when I report you with Facebook or whatever. I don't report people. Now wo. Ega iwe reporting one. Eka wure boy me papa sunu. My dear, I just tell you. I tell you the pop and play. I tell you everything. I tell you say I know they go let you doctor. You your boy your hand, you be your pastor. Mokman. Because I not talk to you. If I talk to you, now anything what you go do, now you go feel reach me. But as far as I not come meet you, now you they carry my video, go they put copyright, they tell Facebook, make they put copyright or whatever, anyhow you do one. Oh Bonnie, ege mi la were, ege ato wo la were, ege emi da la wo Bonnie re, emi kemi no ya we. I just tell you, you say you be big man wife when they suffer. Big man wife when you not get food to eat. big man wife when we say yes, most of una dey beg money for Facebook. I don't beg you money once. I don't beg una money. When I give me money, may I tell you it? Okay, my video when I see go do now. Well, what now? You say you be big man wife, beauty clinic. I bet they call you. Now you go put copyright. I bet mona see her. Wetin person they do person. I don't know wetin I do this woman. I don't come meet you. I don't carry your video. On my camera can wear. Oh, one why you Facebook. Oh, one ya Facebook. Everywhere we do well, one ya, you on ya. Bononya, my when I make we not sit down, make we not do what you want to. As soon as they behave or you both can behave like this, how now things. When you don't want enter. You won't be black, you they do like this. Video will not be your, you will carry on. My own video, if not another person video now say, okay, I feel yes, okay, now the person put copyright. My own video, when I see do, you go put copyright on that way, you get big head. Oh, that one bono pen wa. Oh, you where that one bone when they pay for you, the Ostalo Bakatuti. Anything at all. Look, that hand where you take put copyright for that paper, this video. Egato wela were. Ega give away a pot in one. Not to say that day Europe, not they happen. Emi asun no sun. E money I will change away money that way. The money we have more in back way. You don't see something. Or done where a big man wife now. Or done you also have more. Come. I know they do bad though. As you see me so. I use daughter beg una. Mona son and lay. I stay my lay. I never can't insult anybody for year one day. Now advice I they give. So you know go call my video, can they put copyright? Like seriously. Am I be oh one year Facebook? A Facebook oh 1 year. So the other day I saw they still do a video ni ma okpa ever. A video ni na go oluwa. Ya vie picture me na ya vie the other side where mo yin agugun ologo wọn lawa gbe a. Ologo wọn lawa gbe a. Iwa bota wa bo we lawa gbe a. Look 1 year Facebook wa. Ayi be so ga mi wa. Una don dey collect money for Facebook una no anybody no waiting. Now una get Facebook. Why you no go dey work? Make you know as work be. Me I work for this Europe. Una no wan work, una there for Facebook 24/7. Person when you see doing your video, una say na lie. Una dey put copyright like seriously. For my own video again. A video ni you no we yata. Ni magu wagun. Big man wife. Beauty what eh? What where? Iwa bota wa bo we la we gbe. Ni wa bo fe kun le lo ne no da fon we ni le gbe ma ho. Ni wa bo fe kun le lo fe kun le mo no vi ohian. Ni bo ya gege gbo a. Make you take time for my body oh. Take time for my body. No body wey no sabi do saga oh. But no be saga I can't do for. Then I me we saga we yari ba any. E saga ri ba you okman. E saga ri ba yin mokman. Woman woman we saga wa ri ba e. Me we ma we saga ma we saga ri ba e. Ogun ogbo egbe mo no fi ohun a. Me mona take time for my body oh. Mona take time. That video not be your video. That video is not belong to you. A Facebook we were since how many months February January 27 or 20 eyawe video ni yana don't wake up here. I go on Facebook wa now na get Facebook everyone you are on your Facebook wa person no fit talk again. If I talk una come like come you see the way I take all this thing, you see the way I take all this thing. Where I no fit do you anything, I no go fit do you anything, not think am. I tell una say yes, this is me. But osalo boa ni gani iya vie ma iya tuma. No agedo wa we manazara. No agede mu fi ohia mi ya fefe ma emi ya turn side down ma outside down we here for mo. Come. I know they like, I know they like make I dey curse people. Don't find my trouble. That's it. Big man wife, beauty clinic, TV. I beg, leave me, oh. I take God beg you. But my me, and then my me, no one you be a war in order, honor you be a war in order. You might new well. I go where go here. If you don't like me, I also make you like me. Me, you don't like me, I don't like everybody. Answer papa me. Would you ever marry you? Would you come maybe on way? What did they worry you? I ever insult you now one day for this media. I know they insult anybody. Now my own exercise that they do. If you say I oma go ya game, what if you say ya for all what I can? What if you say ya? What if you say you wow? If you say your name not that for or my come? No go and work but that from. Baby no let work here. Not be me find you. You know if you can carry my video call they put copyright say because say now you get Facebook. Now so they say no they do it for this app. Now they put copyright for people video like say now get her. Oh one. If you don't say you like her, still go do your own. Okay, you want collect my own video, make you take it. No worry. If you use that, take it. Look, that money when they go pay you for that my video, Allah, I swear to God Almighty this morning. If you don't use that money, take your sickness. If you don't use that money, do trouble. If you don't use that money, take your sickness for your children and your husband. Make you not say yes and not be a former. I tell you, okay, I go bring my Bible, make I take swear for you because now it's good for you. You say now you be big man wife, beauty clinic, TV. You see how this Bible dey. If I first carry your video, I put copyright, let it be well with you. But I never come meet you one day, I never insult you one day. I never carry your video, put any copyright. Facebook, when we copyright your way because you hate me, I don't say make you like me. Look, I should carry that video, use and eat. They don't monetize you. You use and make money. I tell you, this morning, that money where you go use that video can make now sickness for you, sickness and your family. It will not be well with you. It will not be well with your family. Your home will turn upside down. You will never get peace. Peace far from you. Peace far from your children. Peace far from your husband, big man wife when you call yourself. Peace far from you. Beating every day by day. Trouble every day by day. Your children, they go they fall for trouble to trouble. You go they fall for trouble to trouble. Man go insult you, woman go insult you. Man go beat you, woman go beat you. Small pikin go beat you. People go beat you. People go hate you. Hatred not be your portion. Hatred not be your children portion. No peace for you, no peace for your children. Because for waiting they do me for that video when I come out, can't talk. Now you can't put copyright, you say you get power. But God, every power belongs to Almighty God. He never belongs to you. I never carry your video. But in the way they carry people video, they put copyright. They put copyright for waiting and not know one, not two. Because now one eat Facebook money. More than suffer eaten. More than suffer eaten. Because this is another mass sweat. You don't tell one that they do people. You don't tell one that they do people. When they say yes. That they strong on their own, make they still get something. Why whenever we want to see, one year Facebook, but not forget say, first when they get Facebook, you know they do like this. Or you bought there for year. The one that they behave, or you bought they know they behave like that. Except I don't first do you. Now your home go. Now you go get happiness for your home. But I never do you. Una way they put life for my head for waiting and not do for the video when I take talk to another person when I go put my children video. Should not be well with una. Mona they find trouble where mama pikin go quarrel. Mona come they say oh no mind na bad children. If you are a bad children. If you are here now Morocco na your children. Now your children go smoke go come take care una for house. No what do I na buy in the moon? Why that do I so I never yet. Now that one I want. Now I can't prove video. Waiting I don't know one, no two. When I am where you ni bele ni ave do arobi me. All the thing won't apply now back to sender. As soon as apply now, make these children make the coins. Now so as soon if not get children, una children go insult una. Una children go beat una. Una children go use knife take kill una for this Europe anywhere one a day. If you want here bear beluwa. For waiting I don't know one, no two. I not say more I not carry my video. But now carry my video now go to blow line. Now go to talk another thing. Now go to write waiting and not do. Because so now one make the children call insult. Wait to burn again. Tell me wait to burn again. Wait to not the game. Wait to not the game for all these things one they do. Now get game. They pay una. They pay una. Just now one just say me too. Mama will pick me. They quarrel. Hey, only wa go. Again now call they come. No my nine. No do this one. Go here. Go here. Look it is well. Una no go cause trouble for me. For waiting I don't know one not to. Unwa wayamoy. Unwa wayamoy. Keke monu wa vyo here. Because me I know they cause people, but not come to me. You know if you come they put copyright for the video when I still do on my own. Okay? So my people. Yeah, I see the video. I don't say the thing too bright, so I foresee make I zoom out because of it's too bright, so I don't go see it well. Okay. My people not be smart, you know. Make I reduce the light. Make I show now. See, I don't know whether I will see them more. Una see? Una see? Can make I have this one too. Okay. Una see? Okay. Una see? Una see? I beg. If you not read that, okay, una dey see now. You don't ask me. Una dey see. If you not read that well, wanna look the name when it did there. Wanna look am. Okay. Wanna see. Now see the name. Now see the name. Okay. I don't know what thing I do the person. Even though say me and you get problem. You with my video now get problem. Oh one more. I am more bono to bon. Me I know they hate people. But if you say you hate me, now your 5 kobo be now. That one are your problem. I use God to beg una. I use God beg una. This Facebook of a thing, find your money, make your enter house. Not be to beat man, beat woman. Not be that they last for this world, for this life. Everybody go, but not be one day. Now vanity. Do as you go feed, do the rest you live on for God. Not be say you want carry another man on take join you all because say you be egbe waiter. Nobody go feed do you anything. But I tell you, say yes. The God when I serve. When you go put that is when you go turn your life and your children's life upside down. You not go know where that thing they come from. You not go know where they come from. If they do all that before, that's all of una they do for this media. Mona change una way. Mona change una way. Now to eat and live. You still eat, live for the rest. Not be only you want their Facebook. Not be only you want money. People still there when you still want time. As far as now you tell they feed your family. I not get problem with that. But no put leg for where it not belong to you. No take waiting be say yes. No be you talk for the video. You go they put copyright for me because say you be a wager. Well, as I tell now before, I know they serve with juju. Even though I serve with juju, not be anybody problem. But waiting I want to tell now for now, I don't get any juju man when we say yes I'll go meet. I don't get no one. I don't get any pastor when I'll go meet, but I get God Almighty. All of una for this media, I know say yes, una they use of more. Most of una when they do all, una they use of more, they do many things. See me, guys. I no get anything, na only God, Baba God. Na be my ultimate. Since you say agbo ma ba mi won, e o sa boy ya ji we we ndo agbere ba yen ndo amu e copyright lele fe emi ere hia. Carry go. E go and mark today date. Just mark am. Okay? Mark today date. Take and chop money, or take and feed your children. Take and feed your husband. That's your husband when they say you be big man wife beauty clinic TV. Take and feed your husband. But wait. Now we're 100 years, not forever. What you do today. Not be saying that today go answer you. Just give one time. Now then February that is the day when they cause the cost. Not be that day the thing they react to. Not your thing say I know if you do you, I know if you do you anything. But Baba God, now he get power for me. Now he go fit do you what fit you. Make you know say to carry people things. Waiting I suffer for. They don't insult me for that video. Can't they reply? Now you can't go put copyright. Say you get umeti. Big man wife. Poverty won't kill you. Poverty they wear dress for your body. No matter reladia. Agbi won no matter reladia. All of una sit down for now for inside house now they find another people problem one hour sit down one hour top put. Who go make me topic you ya go who vi wela dia no vi ala dia ya gege gbele ya wa no vi o report no rai. Na na me video ro kan do mu. No am copyright yo. Now what copyright a dark moment, more copyright a dark moon. Can I not that from when we a big man wife beauty clinic TV. If I bought a wabo, we all have fear. As you do and you say nobody go ask you. But God, and this my Bible, go ask you. And God will turn your house upside down. That money, when are you going to Yahoo? O seka wa yi go ni ze emia mo aya gbe wo ya de ba ni wo iwe hian ho mi wo e money i go ni wo ya dupo ni a mi kem egbe hian yin a egbe ari anyin we agege iwe aya gbo a iwe ari agege aya gbo. You see as I call this is so na so they go in bet in carry where you put I color where you put because una all too much for this media. Person when no dey talk, you know me say na fool. If I know they talk, you know me say I don't sabi talk. God give everybody mouth, but I respect. As people they respect to, no one respect to themselves because now I get media. A media already reach where oh one year media. Person don't go fit do video for peace. Person don't go fit do anything for peace. Now you come, oh yeah, big man wife. Who say agboa? No good work, none of that for no big man. Big man wife will not get anything. Big man wife will hungry wacky. Big man wife will not get money. When we say yes, they carry people video. They put copy all of them way they put copyright for people video. As you know, see the way I take call this thing, after they'll say they cut on for pot. They go they cut on children for pot. They go hate on children. Now bully, now they go they bully on children. Now bully, they go they bully them anywhere where they go. They go they bully on children for school. They go they bully them for work. They go bully all everything when children they do. They go they bully them. They would bully them, and that bully them still they bully you now. Here bully you, bully you. Not be Europe, not that Europe with them now. Now Europe, not be Nigeria with them. Now Europe when we say yes, bully they continue. Yeah, bully you everywhere. Yeah, so yeah, boy I maybe. Because for waiting, people do me when I can't talk. When you can't go put copyright for that thing. You don't know the pain when they give me. You don't know the pain when they give me for that video. That pain. Now so God will still give you that pain. Now so your children will still do you. As soon as go they put video, go they put a picture for video when I not do. Why they be? 100 years not forever. This life everybody go. But not in one day as I talk. Make you do good thing. Now you worry. Not they always they do bad, okay? Not they always they do bad. If you not like Mona commit nonsense. If you not like Mona commit nonsense. Okay, this now waiting that they do me now be this one. I know they carry people video. I know they, for me, I know they carry people video, they put copyright. You know, if you enter my page, come put copyright for me, say, because say now your papa get Facebook. They will do now. If na Facebook music I see carry now, here home. Not be Facebook on. Now my own video when I see do. When pay dey my body. When be say, no, God will punish all of una. Una way they do this thing. Agege ayagbo wa. Igo ni ye fefe. Wani wawe mi dana. Wani mwe copyright ye video re. E video wa manya. Igo ni emi wa ayagbe. Ologo wa. Uwa hin ade yeti. Etetere mo ide yan. Wa kokpapa wa ade okpa. Wa kete okpa wa ade yeti okpa. Wa okpa efo wa ade yowe. If you wa we ade yeti. If you wa here a junkie you wa here e we boya de Nigeria yanjo na junkie your children na children go be for waiting they do me when I take talk for that video when be say yeah you can't put copyright that thing as he pay me and so God will still do your children. If we here junkie we agbo abemona oga Nigeria ye wo agbo oga we bo wa anywhere part of the where you there for this Europe na America na Canada anywhere. Your children, they go do na children, and your children go do na. A bully and bully if you have a school, they will never get peace. If you want a peace, why we make peace? Big man wife, you dey call yourself as if you say you be big man wife, why you come put copyright for my video? Big man wife when not get money. Big man wife, I don't know where you big man go. One of they live fake life. Live in a way where God take with you. I don't beg money for Facebook. If I want to beg money, I'll still beg. I beg money help me. But you know, we no beg money. I never come. Nobody know what I they pass through. But I give God all the glory, cause that be the ultimate. Yeah, me fere to let me do. It went mama no treat me like that. I know they beg. Big man wife. Now God can't punish you. Look at the my best on it. Who with saga? Ma uwe. Me we saga. O salo bo won here go with saga. Big man wife. Beauty how they call her? Beauty name clinic TV. Beauty clinic TV. Big man wife. I just go beg you. Imakbo no sugbo well. Big man wife, beauty clinic TV. I just got to beg you. That video don't belong to you. That is my video. Now what did they do me now? I take talk for that video when you go carry. Not be all food, not be all video that they carry. Not be all money when they make for Facebook, not be that they eat. My amiga say kere, yeah we ovi sankere or yasa or ya ohe. Obi sakere no dia he you go see make you no ba fear kere bo all those are in here fefe come they just look we just look ourselves we don't know who will be. Please I not be anything but I beg you in the name of God, I beg you in the name of God, leave my video alone for me. I not do this video for you, I do video for myself. No go they carry my video, they put copyright. If you know say you don't get what you want to do, as I told before, if you just carry your husband, cut and put her for pot, you go make money. The way know why you make money and you go make money. There's many ways one to make money for this half year. Okay, you go make money. Not they look for people trouble. They go when we say yes, they look for trouble. I don't look for your trouble. Now my why they do. I use God beg you, and I use this Bible to beg you. Leave my video alone. As you be say you they look for trouble, maybe with my children, maybe with the quarrel. As you be say now you go to put this thing different where they call them make I show now this people wicked sir people Now when it wicked and I go make heaven, more na no worry. Na hell fire, I bona portion. Now say una be one kind people. Mona see am. Yeah. Mona see the video when I first do that day. I have a picture with me and I do video. Whereas not be me do this video. I do this video and not put their picture. Mona see the way they find trouble, they cause problem for family because they don't get peace for their family. You, whether they look you, it they pain them because you don't know what they pass through for their own house. Because back of camera, anybody don't know what they pass through. They fit come Facebook and they live fake life for them. Mona they believe them. Mona they say, I want be like you. I can never be like you. God forbid bad thing. This is how God created me. This is how I remain. I know they pray make I be like anybody. I pray make I be myself. That is my joy. They carry that video, they go put my children picture. Near a beg, make them see ahead, they'll see come. Wait to born again. Wait to born again. Wait to born again. I live on a matter for God. And you, big man wife, you, I live your matter for God. Since now so they say you they do one to people, I live you for God. Well, what's a lobo or make be one? Not be me and you, because now God, I be my papa, and I be my husband, I be everything to me. Now I be the father of my children. I leave you for God. May God ask you. If I don't first do you, now God will take judge you. But I never do you. Come carry your video. Put copyright. God will ask. I be to say I don't go feel read your name. You think in that one you think. I be to say I don't go feel find you. Some people, una dey very illiterate. Okay, you una dey Europe, you be like so una dey Africa. He grown around when the war on. Mona expose. Mona not be today Europe they take the expose. This one, you know, get am. Common sense, you know, dey. Mona expose. Not be to wear wetin una dey wear. Not be that one. Take the expose. Expose with your brain. As you dey Europe, always guys, let your brain be always be clever. While we are behaving now in Nigeria, the bad character wanna get for Nigeria, while we more there will be. As you be say you don't put copyright for this one, I no worry. Carry go. You say na you get her. Big man wife, beauty, where beauty way. Beauty Clinic TV. It's okay. I tell you, I not come find you. Now you come find me. Now you carry my video, go put copyright. I tell you. I don't get power, but God now waiting I put my hope for this one. This is my weapon. This is the God when now God that they call. I know they go as I tell now they go meet to you. Nobody when I'll go meet. Because anything when I want ask God, I they ask and direct. Okay? So now Baba God, I be my hope. I live for God. You say that video now your own. Carry go. I dash you. Carry go. Since you say now hungry, they beat you. Big man wife. Beauty, how did they call her? Beauty Clinic TV. You say now hungry, they beat you. Oh, I mean, I've worked with a month. May I use and take video now? Since now hungry, they mama you. Well, my may not go to my Facebook as soon as they beg up and down. So now that one, now you want to eat. Carry go, take it. Yeah? But as you they use and take the chop, 100 years, not forever. 100 years, not forever. When you don't they receive the menaces, the karma, don't they visit your children. Allah. You don't say that video when you go carry. You go carry wrong video. You go put copyright for wrong video. I swear. You go put copyright for wrong video. My people, I greet everybody. I know what tomorrow. Mona see you. see what it wage no agbon oh God, Jehovah. I don't show now before. See now. See. It's a big man wife beauty clinic TV. How you call her? See. Now see. I know they worry. Carry go. Now money now be they beat you. Go use and eat. Feed your children. Feed your husband. Because if your husband really get money, if your husband get money, you know they see people when they get money, they see they can't misbehave for media. They don't misbehave. People that has money, they don't misbehave. E mani lego do gaga Facebook. Abi be so ga mi wa. Iya na am here wait yes. He said when you go walk, you can't make noise for media. Eh? You dey call yourself big man wife. Big man wife when they put copyright for people video. You be big man wife, you don't get your own content. You dey put copyright for people video, like for the video when you not get. You dey find trouble up and down. A trouble on here agbuwe. Aye trouble ya leba enu, aye trouble leba anywhere. And I'm here where emo gwaloni, emo gbero time, emo gbe your time, emo here agbuwe, emo here agbuwe, emo born another for when not. Look a big man wife who say fake life. Big man wife who say beauty clinic TV. A big man wife who say okay. Wagbe Ariana, ugbe Ariabe, ugbe all the day of your life. For waiting I suffer for you, say you want come chop waiting, you know where you not lay put, you want come eat for them. One ya. I be where I say children they do and make you sick come. Agmoya. Oh, one had they tell now. House, not be outside. I use God to beg everybody. I not come meet to now. Imado no subuwa. Wala wajo waya ni tell me. I not say me kuna like me. I not hate anybody. Even though if you don't like me, I not hate you. If you don't like me, I not hate you. I not sabi hate person. I feel they give you chance. That one not me say I hate you. I not be like una when be say yes, una go hate person, una want kill am, una carry in go let it daughter. Now they do different things for this heart. Me I know they do am. I know say everybody not fit be your friend, fine, but I know they hate anybody.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, wait till una see this matter. Because I no fit to drop an opinion of what una think about this very matter between Monica and Jama First Lady.